After yarn is spun, but before it is turned into fabric, it may undergo further finishing steps. One possible finishing step is gassing. In gassing, yarn is passed either through a gas flame or over an electric heated element to remove hairs from the surface of the yarn. This results in a yarn which is smoother, shinier, and has less lint and pilling. After those surface fibers are burned off, the yarn must be quenched with cool air to prevent further burning or defects. Gassing is most commonly done on cellulosic yarns such as cotton because they don't melt in contact with heat. Both singles and plied yarn can be gassed. Another finishing step is mercerization. Often, yarn is gassed before it is mercerized, but it is not required. Mercerization involves soaking the cotton yarn in a solution of sodium hydroxide while the yarn is held under tension. The yarn must be plied before being mercerized so that it's strong enough to withstand the tension. After treatment, the yarn must be neutralized with a weak acid. This results in the collapsed kidney bean shape of cotton swelling, which gives the yarn a shiny appearance. It also increases the dye uptake of the yarn, resulting in deeper and more brilliant colors, eliminates immature cotton, which can result in speckles after dyeing, and improves the strength of the yarn. Mercerization is specific to cellulosic yarns like cotton. Dry mercerization is a similar process in which the cotton is treated with liquid ammonia. This does not result in the full chemical change to the cotton that mercerization has, but also improves the smoothness, luster, and dye uptake of cotton yarn. Unlike traditional caustic mercerization, dry mercerization does not remove immature fibers. After treatment, the yarn is steamed to remove the ammonia, which results in a reduction in chemistry and water usage over traditional mercerization. Yarn can be wet finished in many of the same ways as fabric, such as bleaching, dyeing, and having chemical finishes applied, but the process is different. A yarn package is wound onto a perforated tube before being loaded into a package dyeing machine. This machine will force liquid from the outside in and inside out of the yarn package to get a level application of bleach, dye, or chemical finish. An alternate method of package dyeing is called space dyeing. In space dyeing, needles are inserted into a yarn package which dispense small amounts of concentrated dye in different colors. This results in a unique coloration after the yarn is turned into fabric. While treatments and finishes are not required to be applied to yarns before moving to fabric formation, it is often done when manufacturing premium cotton goods, as the higher price point justifies the additional processing steps.